Ladies and gentlemen, students, hey, this is the video that you need to watch to take the covering and surrounding test again. This is your ticket to being able to take the test. So here's what you do. You do exactly what I do on this paper, and then I'm going to have some questions on the side for you to just do as well. When I see that this page is completely filled out with this side filled out as well, then I know that you watched the video and you're good to take the test again. It's your ticket to be able to take it again. So, here we go. Let's start with the questions. What's the relationship between the area of the triangle and the area of the rectangle below? So let's start with this rectangle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. 4 squares by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. So between the area, well, area is just 4 times 5, so it's going to be 20 square units. 4 times 5 is what we got. And it's be these squares times these squares, so we're going to have square units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there as well. So we're going to have 4 units times 5 units. So 4 times 5 is, again, 20 units squared, but it's a triangle. So we have 4 times 5 divided by 2. That's what we have. So area of the triangle is the same as it? No, they're not the same. Area of the triangle is half. Well, that looks correct. The area of the triangle is twice. Nope, that's not right. 1/3. Nope, our answer is B. I need you on your paper to draw a triangle and give dimensions, so that's 3 times the size of this triangle. So you need to give me something that is 3 times this size. 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 2, so we have 10 units square is what that triangle is. Alright, number 2. Find the area of this parallelogram. Well, all we know for parallelograms is just base times height. You can chop off this little triangle, move it over here, like so, and then we have a rectangle. So that 26 is actually just there to confuse you. It doesn't really matter at all. So 20 times 60, 20 feet, times 60 feet. Well, 2 times 6 is 12. Put 2 zeros. 1,200 feet squared. It's going to be question D is my answer there. Number 2 is D. I want you guys to do the same thing over here, except use this parallelogram. Find the area. Let's go to the back side. Number 3, find the area of this triangle. And again, it's base times height. Well, those are the only 2 numbers they give us. That's nice. So it's going to be 74 times 17. And we have feet times feet. So 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times that 49 plus that 2 is 51. Move in 1. 7, 4, 8, 5, 1, 2. I get 1,258 feet squared. But that is, remember, this is a triangle. We need to divide it by 2. So how many times does 2 go into 1,258? 6, 2, 9. So 629 feet squared is, again, answer D. On your paper, what I need you guys to do is find the area of this triangle. Base is 5, side length of 15. Let's make this at 12 feet, and the height is 10. Excuse me. On our next one, we need to find the surface area. And so when I look here at this box, I see a 3 by 6 here. So all of these sides, these small lengths, are going to actually be 3. 3. All of these are going to be 3, and that's going to be really helpful. These lengths here are 6. So that's a 6 up here. And then we see here this is a 15. So that's going to be 15 all the way straight up. So let's find the areas of these. And so what I teach students is we have top, bottom, left, right, front, and back. We're going to find all these separate areas and then add them up. So let's make this the top. And then if that's the top, that's got to be the bottom. So the top is 15 times 6, which is 90 inches squared. The left is going to be this side over here. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 over here. I'll put the 90s in there. That way we know we've done those. 18 inches squared. 18 inches squared. The front and back are 3 times 15. These are also 15 there, so that's 45. So 45 inches squared and 45 inches squared. And now it's just a case of adding all that up. So I have 16, 26, 2, there's 8, 9, 10, 19, 28, 30. So it looks to me like I have 306 inches squared. It's going to be my surface area for that box. Again, just checking it. 90, 180, 270 plus 36, yep, and 306 inches squared. What I'd like you guys to do is now change that 3 to 4, change that 6 to 8, and that 15 to 10, and find the surface area of the next box. Last problem. Find the area and perimeter of each figure. So I'm looking here. Area is just going to be base times height. 6 inches times 4 inches. 6 inches times 4 inches is 24 inches squared. And my perimeter is going to be my side plus side plus side plus side. And so in this case, I got these 4 sides. I guess I should probably mark that as, since those 2 sides are different, let's just mark it as base plus side plus base plus side. So make it a little more sense. Base plus side plus, this is going to be the same up here, 6, so the same as base, is that side. So 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5, I'm just adding them all up. That's 11, 22 inches. And that's going to be my answer for my perimeter. I would like you to do the same, find the area and perimeter, but the dimensions are 10 feet, 12 feet, and 8 feet. Hope this video is helpful. Show me that you have this completed, and it's your ticket to take the test. Thank you so much. Have a great night.